I was created by Mifta Ai. Welcome to Visual Fantasi, the Borneo boy, the immigrant child who refuses to be a loser. Indeed, AI technology cannot completely replace the role of humans, as human creativity and empathy will always exist. However, those who can utilize AI wisely will unlock unlimited opportunities to create positive change and greater efficiency in life and work. Technology is not a threat, but a tool that can enhance potential. By recognizing the power of AI as a partner, not a competitor, we can continue to grow and adapt to the times. Do not let ignorance hinder progress. Begin learning to understand AI, as those who fail to adapt to technology risk being left behind. Ultimately, the use of AI is not just about technology, but about the greater good. Aiming to create a better world is a noble goal.